My name is Elizabeth Burdeau, and I'm the quality manager at TOMZ. So as quality manager, I ensure compliance to our notified bodies and the FDA, as well as to customer requirements. And I'm the point of escalation for the quality engineering staff, as well as our documentation control specialist. I contribute to driving quality culture across the organization by providing accountability. Quality culture is working to build quality into our products from the beginning of the manufacturing process, so we can prevent defects, we can prevent rework, and be as efficient as possible in ensuring that we meet customer and regulatory requirements. Quality to me goes further than just making sure that we have delivered a product that conforms to the customer. It's also the journey that gets us there. We will not be successful as a business if we manufacture a batch of material that we've needed to remake 3 or 4 times to make sure that the part's conforming. It's ensuring that we have processes established up front that are validated and in control so that we can get things right the first time. The quality mission is compliance to customer and regulatory requirements. The best way that I've found to ensure buy-in is to explain where the requirements come from, and that everything is ensuring patient safety. You can imagine that what we make here is being implanted into one of your family members. How important it is to make sure that that part now conforms to all of our customer and regulatory requirements will keep them as safe as possible. It takes an incredible amount of teamwork and ensuring that quality culture is implemented and maintained in order to make sure that we meet our 99% conformance rate. My team is incredibly motivating, investing in their personal and professional development and ensuring that they are well-rounded engineers. And the management staff here is also incredibly motivating. As a quality professional, you're often the bad guy. You deliver the bad news, you tell the customer when things are going wrong, you come up with how you're gonna fix it, you come up with how to make sure that it doesn't happen in the future, and getting everyone's buy-in is easier than I'm used to it being at TOMZ. I have a partner in my peers, and everybody is interested in doing the right things for the right reason, and getting everybody on the same page to make sure we're driving to a common goal is something I've found easy to do and effective at TOMZ. It's tough being quality and often being the bad guy and telling people no that they can't do things. And so coming together as a team to do the risk assessment, the impact assessment, and come up with a game plan that'll benefit both operations but also ensure compliance is something very easy to do at TOMZ.